Bring it back.
Hey guys, this is the fake one. As you can see, the box is totally different. I can't show them side by side. The other one is a video that I had made a while back, but I don't have the original gun no more. So I got this one to do a comparison. And like I said, this is a fake one. Let me show you what's inside. This is the way it comes. This is what it has. It basically has the same things. Everything. It's in Chinese, so I have no idea what it says. But yeah. But here's the pot. It does say Devilbiss. I don't know if you can tell. It does say Devilbiss, but it's a fake one. Let me get the gun out. As you saw the other video right now, and this is not the way it comes originally. This one comes in a little pouch, and let me get the gun out real quick. There's the gun right there. It has everything almost identical to it. The finish is not the same. The finish is not the same. But you can see, I don't know if you can tell right here that the finish is kind of like real badly made. It does say Devilbiss on both sides. So just be aware, guys, as to the fake and the real. I am gonna spray with this one. I had a lot of questions in regards to the other fake video that I made with the SATA guns. Unfortunately, that gun I don't have it no more, so the fake one I don't have. So I'm not gonna be making a video on how it sprays, but I'm gonna be making a video on how this one sprays, and I'll tell you the truth about it. If it sprays good, well, I'll just say it up front. It does spray good. And this is it, guys. This is a fake one. Like I said, you can tell the difference right away on the finish on the gun and the materials that they used. But yeah, I'll be spraying with this one, and I'll give you my feedback on how it sprays. Thank you, guys. There's another quick video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and I'll be getting some new guns that I'll be making a review on. So stay tuned. You'll find out which type of guns they are. So just stay tuned, guys.